kami karon diha kay tsura ni Mio the pastor. Tapos ang nanay niya krong-krong.
We're going to church. Believe it or not, it may be around 5 years now since I haven't stepped inside a church to go to church.
Uy, hindi na something to be proud of. Buangit.
Kaya nga, dugay-dugay na gid ko kasimba, katsakto nga simba. Nagkatulang ko sa church, kay nagninay ko sang bunyag. Yeah. Oo, dugay-dugay na gid ko kasimba. Lord have mercy on my soul.
Mula nang gapabuki sa pamilya mo, wala ka kabalo.
Ayan.
Wala sa pangadi, dugayan, una na dead na manghod mo.
Diyos katay. Kay dito, kalaylayan sa church.
Wait, hindi mo makuha ang Victory Fort or ano? Or CCF?
Oh, sige, may kapanay kami dyan.
Wait mo man kami gintudahan.
Para kami ko na sentro, doy, sa ila. Tuman nga nag-ano siya. Ito to bang hanggal na. Oh, grabe ang balhas. Ayun zaman.
Para ko na abit ako sinong mo.
Wow, may mga amo pa nagle.
Blush blindness pa diting. Extreme blush.
Ay, grabe. Ah, mother.
Wala.
Perfect people are perfectly welcome. So let's all welcome. Let's all roam around and welcome one another to the long.
Yeah, we're in a place called Zuri Hotel. Zuri Hotel. So we're here for the buffet. It's my first time inside Zuri Hotel. Where? Okay. And this is my mom. This is my mother. Hello, mother. Oh, is she? This is my mother. And my mother is gonna eat buffet tonight. We're having, I think, the Mongolian buffet. Buy one, take one. So we're here. Whom are you talking to? The recording, of course. Who else? I'm vlogging. Yes. So I don't know where to go, so we'll just sit here in the lobby for now because the Geraldine disappeared. Si Geraldine, I don't know where she went. I actually don't know. Ah, maganda rin pala ang lobby. The lobby looks nice. Tugnaw man dire. Tugnawan ka? Teka, hindi ko alam kung saan siya pumunta. I think in here, but I don't know. Should I go there and see? There is sila. Ay, ato sila gali. Now I see them. They're inside there. Tara. Is it a push or a pull? Not here? Where's the entrance? Oh, ando na pala si Josh! Had I known they will come, I brought theirs also. Had I known you're coming, I would have brought yours also.
Guys, pwede si Mama.
Hello!
Pwede si Mama. May nagsayo. Pwede ka. Si Manang kasi.
Kaya, mabulang.
Dili lang ako ma-extra.
And the Josh is here. I miss you. My Mongolian rice na garet. Ready-made na. So what do they have?
A lot.
A lot.
Ganito ba mga kruwat tay? Hindi. Ano?
Like,
May Mongolian yun yung case mo na nakita.
Oo, sa may Robinsons nga. Padamo-damo. Tapos ang bowls.
Yeah.
Kublai Khan. Mas madamo ba? These are the choices. Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. The choices for the vegetable.
Gawan mo si Mama ha kasi hindi
Ay. Okay. Tatanungin ko kung anong gusto niya. Moms? Ma? What do you want in your Mongolian?
What are the food available po?
A lot of vegetables, a lot of seafoods, a lot of meat. Kimbo. Jonty, si Tito.
Ano ganit? Asan yung nanay niya?
Tita Agnes.
Don't worry. I am fine. You're fine, thank you.
You're fine, thank you.
mo ba?
Ay, storya ka mo.
Dali mo ba siya? Sino na rin?
I'll get some rice here. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna give it for cooking. Thank you. pwede tawag kita pa.
Mga 2 years na, no?
Oo, no, even here, the pandemic included for a year.
Ay, sir, wala ko yung kabalukusan. O, tingnan lang sa may anay.
Okay, to, very happy. Come. Jik! Kamusta si Nang Laling? Nakapuli siya? Vacation? Wala. Why good? Amo na tong last niya nga kadto. Pila na ka years? 5 years. Oh my goodness. Look. Hi. Penny Parja, Shuyan, Jik. Ah, here. Amo na yung way ko nakita. Nininduwa nga ni. Pare, si Jik nagkita na. Pa kami ni Jik sa San Dinto Jikman. Sa Western Union. Nagkita na. Pa kami ni Jik.
Ay, excuse me, pakuha lang naman. Ano niya siya yung isa? Ano isa? Ay, Roy! Basta Roy! Ano niya siya yung spell?
I cannot remember. Nakay wala sila mga labels.
Sige, wala silang sinutan nila.
Oo. From among the men.
Sige lang, sige, habang sige nga.
Oh, sige.
Smell pala. Smell.
Rose. I like it. Because it's Oman rose. Ano ito? There's a rose. May time in the year na tanan niya rose sa certain part of Oman na full bloom. Tapos, they will harvest that rose as in the old-fashioned way na pinapagpugan to it. Ano na siya?
Go na na, set. Go. May pakapapicturan ay ni sa Roy ay
Ano yung ako lugar sa oven? Amo na siya nga rose.
gani, it's too kamot.
Anak, like, parang ano, I think it's the oasis na all of a sudden they're full. As in ito, daw ka kami, kung na rin nag-ulan subo, diba? The next day, ang mga tuta nakikita kami, they spring out overnight.
Kailan pa ako picture ano kaya ang ako niya
Tigulan na ganito, mag-formal, pati mag-tulak.
behave ka kuno.
Paano ba ako nag-behave? Yes, man? Wala ka na siya. Kaya hindi siya katuntol.
Hindi, kayo muna na. Pinilita kaya yung lang.
Oh, para hindi Ayan! Oh, ang mga water bottle. Who's gonna bring the water bottle? Ako, bilhin lang eh. I'm saying this?
Ay. Bye.
Oh, ngayon nagka-S. See you later. Uy, pinakitulog ng bata. Ang cute. Para may share naman ito. Kaya lang sila. Ako na ako? Para... Josh na lang. Okay. Oo. Pero ba si Josh daw eh? Say goodnight na. Good night. Say goodnight and bye. Yeah.
That would belong to you.
Plan mo na gid subong sang crepe ko anya.
Crab maker.
Nag-level up ka na.
Si Mother Hen, hindi ko
I'll get the ice cream. I'll get the ice cream.
Okay, who's next? Ako naman. Okay.
So we're here today. We are witnessing Engineer Lizette learning how to make her own crepes. Para hindi na siya madudlaan kung ato na to siya nagbalik sa ilaw. Pagusto na siya ubraya crepes.
Okay. Ito ka, Lizette na namuayan. Hindi, hindi pa tuloy.
Go.
Sige, go.
That's it. And spin.
Sige, isa pa. Yan, okay, spin.
Balik ka.
Spin.
Dali.
Gina-pressure mo spin. Hindi sa tunga, Lizette. Kita mo na sa crepes. Di ba ginama mo na?
Taman ka na.
Hindi Ayan.
God, Lord, have mercy.
Ana,
Sige
it's
na.
crepes.
And then okay na na.
Ha?
Ipagwa ng ubod ang lettuce ang
Lumpia ni gali, by the way, guys. Nag-overflow na. And
nag-overflow na gid saya.
May comment kayo.
Nag-overflow na siya.
Literally. By the way, sige mo tangta na ka man. Maguso.
Gutopek. Ay, grabe.
Basa pa siya.
Basa pa siya. May sa kulang.
And then, ang crepe maker nila is kailangan na labhan.
And so, ladies and gents, that's how you start off practicing making crepes. We'll be back with our next episode.
This is your vlog for today's
For today's
video.
video.
For today's video, this is how not to make crepes.
We'll see you next year naman kung makaba.
Wow, Ange.
Yeah.
Wow!
Dear,
Get sa plating nagbawi.
This is how it will look in the end. Don't worry.
You can redeem yourself.
I have a bad feeling about this.
But
Jay,
feeling
when
ni
you
Jay
get the chair,
Amio.
Jay, and sit down,
No.
may gusto ka. Oh, diba?
Nice.
Wow.
Nag-coffee float na
Wala.
yan.
Kaya mo yan ate.
Almost. Another few minutes pa.
Float kayo.
Another few
Daan
seconds.
mo naman kay Dia.
Tama ka.
Another few seconds.
Pagkabot ko sa opisina. Nakurog-kurog.
Kurog-kurog ka. Sugar high kag caffeine high.
Tingki ko ta.
Plate mo.
Ayo, amoy mo nang.
Cupcake.
Galing mo na banana. Okay na. Kay God
Amo na siyang
mo.
ako.
And then flip.
By the way, this is...
Now this is your omelet na. This is your omelet na. Why not?
Tsura.
This is your omelet.
Yay!
Si Jerry Lynn.
Say hi and welcome. Thank you.
I still have to put the filling.
I'm just gonna use more.
Filling.
Sorry. I'm just gonna make my mother's dito.